Children, children, Jesus love you. Say it louder. You are Biafran children. You are very brave people. You are wonderful people. You don't need to be scared or shy away, you know. You have to say it loud. We are proudly Biafrans. We are not afraid of anybody. We are Biafran. Yeah, you can shout.
And don't break your stick.
Children, 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 children. Wave your flag, wave your Biafra flag. Wave it higher, wave it higher. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, we all gathered here for the first time to start children program. And the aim of starting this children program is to teach our children our history, teach our children about Biafra, and to learn Biafra song, learn our language, and learn our culture. You know, we have culture. The way of life is not the way of people, other people live. It's the way we live. We live differently. So today we are going to sing first Biafra song. After singing it, then I will tell you a little story of Biafra. After telling you a little story, then I will tell you a little way of life, like greetings in our language, Igbo. We are urging, it's not Igbo, it's not only Igbo that is Biafra. There is a lot of tribes like Ijo, Ibibio, Ishekiri, Edo, Karabari, Gala. All of them are Biafra. We are telling all of them to come and join us.
You got a missed call.
Yeah, this call. Cut it. Let me see.
Okay.